In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment gateway on Hostinger Website Builder. If you're setting up an online store, connecting a payment method is one of the most important steps, because this is what allows your customers to complete their purchases smoothly and securely. Hostinger makes this process fairly simple, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to look for. To get started, first open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're working on the correct website, especially if you manage more than one project. This helps avoid making changes to the wrong store. After that, click on Website. This will take you to the section where your site and store settings are managed. From there, look for the option that says Manage Store and click on it. This is the area where you control the e-commerce features of your website, including products, orders, and checkout options. Once you're inside the store management area, go to Settings. This section contains the main configuration options for your online shop, so if you ever need to update store details later, this is also where you'll usually come back. Inside Settings, click on Payments. This is the section where Hostinger lets you connect a payment gateway, or, if needed, add payment methods manually. In other words, this is where you decide how customers will pay you. Here you'll see the available payment options. If you want to connect a payment gateway, choose the provider you want to use and follow the setup prompts on the screen. These prompts typically guide you through linking your payment account, so transactions can be processed directly through your website. Make sure the information you enter is accurate and double-check that the gateway is supported in your region and matches the currency you plan to accept. If you prefer, you can also add a payment method manually. This can be useful if you want to offer an offline option or a custom payment arrangement. Just be sure the instructions shown to customers are clear so they understand exactly how to complete their order. And that's it. Once your payment option is connected or added manually, your store is one step closer to being ready for customers. Before you finish, it's always a good idea to review the payment setup carefully and, if possible, test the checkout experience to make sure everything works as expected.